This is what happens if you do bad things. Fate will catch up to you. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Her eyes, they shone like a diamond. You think she was queen of the land. And her hair hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. Her eyes, they shone like a diamond. You'd think she was queen of the land. And her hair hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. In a neat little town they called Belfast, a protest to trade I was bound. And many an hour's sweet happiness I spent in that neat little town, till bad misfortune came o'er me, that caused me to stray from the land, far away from me friends and relations, to follow the black velvet band. Well, her eyes, they shone like diamonds. You'd think she was queen of the land. And her hair hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. Well, I went out strolling one evening, not meaning to go very far, when I met with a pretty young damsel who was selling her drink by the bar. When a watch she took from a customer and slipped it right into my hand. Then the watch came and put me in prison, bad luck to her black velvet band. Well, her eyes, they shone like a diamond. You'd think she was queen of the land. And her hair hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. Next morning, before judge and jury, for trial I had to appear. Then the judge, he sends the young fellow, the case against you is quite clear. 7 long years is your sentence. You're going to Van Diemen's Land, far away from your friends and relations, to follow the black velvet band. Well, her eyes, they shone like a diamond. You'd think she was queen of the land. And her hair hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. So come on, you jolly young fellows, I'll have you take warning by me. Whenever you're out on the liquor, me lads, beware of the